First order of the day, $19, 2 miles, shop and deliver 3 items. Baby wipes, which is right there, Coca-Cola, and some diapers. Easy first order. Now this is where the wagon comes in handy. Oh, wait, I almost forgot my cell phone. Gonna need that. Wherever I put it at. Oh, it's in my pocket. All right, let's get this delivery done. Order number 2, you know we about to make it do what it do. We got $13.86 for 4 miles, shop and deliver. I usually like them to pay a little bit more. It's like 20 items on this one. Only 13 UPCs, 20 something items. So it's not terrible. It's the second order of the day though, and I got some inside information. They told me yesterday that this store was overwhelmed. They was bagged up by 2,200 picks. That means it's gonna be a lot of shop and delivers going out today. This one was not easy to find. I passed it up. I got this long driveway off the main road, so you know how that go. But we made it finally. Let's keep it going with these shopping pays. Just got done shopping. Order number 3. Stop playing with me. $22 and some change. 7 miles. It was like 10 items on this one, and this is my third order of the day. I actually had just went inside of Walmart to get me some lunch. I got me 2 things of lemonade, a green machine, power shake energy drink. Not energy drink, it's like a energy blend, I should say. It's actually got a lot of nutrients in it. Then I grabbed me a couple hard-boiled eggs. And what else I grabbed? I think I grabbed me one of them little Walmart sushi things right there out of the little refrigerated section, the little refrigerated island that's in the middle. I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier and definitely not going to be stopping at no fast food places or anything like that. So I got me something up out of there. And as I was checking out, because I keep my Walmart Spark app open while I'm inside there, I got this shopping pay. I was like, boom. My theory was right. I was told yesterday they had an overabundance of orders that needed to be picked. They was behind like 2,000 items on their pick list. So I knew that was going to provide an opportunity for me to get in where I fit in and get a lot of shopping orders done, because that's my preference when it comes to doing these deliveries with Walmart. I like the curbside and I don't mind it, and sometimes they pay really, really nice. But if I can do shopping deliveries all day, I can determine how many orders I get done, and I can get a higher dollar per hour doing shopping deliveries on Walmart. So we finna drop off order number 3. So yes, this one will put me at 55. And we've been out for 2 hours, so that's not bad right there. Next order, we got $27.18 for 8.9 miles, and it's only 15 items on this one. Sitting over here at the curbside pickup spots eating my lunch. And them little sushi, them little spicy crab rolls up out of Walmart is not too bad. I also had the hard-boiled egg, and that got me right. I'm feeling good. I got some energy now. So we finna head up here and do order number 4, shop and deliver. We sitting at $55 on the day right now. So if we add 7 to that, it'll give us 62. Add 20 on that, it'll give us 82 and some change. It's coming up to the time where the Sam's Club orders are getting ready to drop. So I don't mind if I get another one out here, or if they call me back over there for a Sam's Club offer. Either way, we're gonna run it up. And I can see right here, they got a case of water and 2 24 packs of sodas on this order. So already I know I'm gonna be using my new wagon to bring this up to the door. But it's all good though. Let's go get this one done and maybe try to get one more done before 2 o'clock. I'm not sure if my calculations was correct earlier. I was at $55 and I got this $27 order that I just shopped in the back. Extra 20, yeah, I think my calculations was right. I said I'm at 80 something. Mother. Yes, sir. This delivery wagon definitely comes in handy. You're gonna get a wagon POV today, if I can get it right. We gotta go up the hill and somehow get around the car. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but this looks like the best side to try it on. Oh, we might have a problem. Yeah, we definitely might have a problem. We can make it without touching this dang car. Oh, there goes the camera. Nope, there goes my wheel. Okay. Getting close, but I don't think we're gonna make it without touching the car. Nope, can't make it by without touching the car. Well, I tried, that's for sure. I definitely tried. So let's go ahead and park this right here. And we're gonna use the water to stop the wheel. Then we just gonna have to carry everything up by hand and do it like that. One, alrighty. There we go. And get that picture, and then we good to go. Boom. Order number 4, got it done. Well, I was sitting here editing me a video after I got done eating my lunch, and I was like, okay, I'm up in the head to the crib. You know, it's been like 4 hours, not getting no orders. I'm sitting here editing. I'm making the most of my time, but is it time to head to the crib? I was thinking that, but you know what? It wasn't. I just got another one. $15, 1 mile, shop and deliver. All my orders been shop and deliver tonight. So we heading right back in there to get this order. I think I'll probably go to lunch after this. Not gonna lie, I kind of forgot if I'm on order number 4 or 5 or 6. But we got our next one. We got $16 for 3 miles at a different Walmart. And that's okay because I was getting ready. I'm ready to take a break. I've been out all morning. Technically since 9, I was getting gas and getting something to eat. But started doing my work at 10 and the time now is 3 o'clock. So we've been out for 5 hours and we just barely made it over $100. Now I'm hoping that there's gonna be some more orders out here for the evening time because I've been noticing for the past couple weeks, basically ever since Thanksgiving and a little bit before, it's been an overabundance of shopping orders once the kids get out of school around that time. So sometimes it might start at 3:34, sometimes it might start at like 5, but it goes to the end of the evening. So if I want to be able to take a part in that and participate, I need to give myself a little bit of rest time. So we're gonna do this last order, put me over the $100 goal, and then we're gonna come back out so I can try to make some real profit. Cause that $100 is all bill money, you better believe it.